Hello and welcome to Southbridge. So in this video, you will learn how to copy a text to Clipboard using HTML and JavaScript. So let's take a look at our demo project. So here we have an input element that has a text hello world, and then we have a button, and then we will try to click this copy text button, and then we will paste it in Notepad. So here in my HTML, so I have a container, heading, and then the input element. You can use a text area, or you can use a div with paragraphs. So you can try any HTML element that contains a text. Then we have our tooltip container. We have a button. So I have set the onClick event and the onMouseOut event. So we will create these functions, copy to clipboard and display tooltip. So let's declare a function here. So function copy to clipboard. Then we will get our input element. And then we will store it in a variable. And then we will select the text inside our input element. So copy text dot select, and then let us set the selection range. So copy text dot set selection range, next is we will access our navigator object. So navigator dot clipboard, then write text, and then let's provide the value of our copy text. Copy text. And then we will change the text to our tooltip. So var tooltip is equal to the tooltip element. So it is a span element. And then let's set its inner HTML. And then let's create our display tooltip function. So this function will change the text of our tooltip. So let's get our span, which contains our tooltip. And then let me just copy the code, and then we will set its text into copy to clipboard. So let's try this in our browser. So let's try to click this copy text button, and then we will paste the text into our browser. So that's how you can copy a text to Clipboard using HTML and JavaScript.